people never profit online. I covered my subscription in just 30 days, and that one spark lit a fire that hasn't gone out. Welcome to day 2 of how Home Business Academy helps you build income from home. If you've been searching for a system that actually works, this is where it gets exciting. Today we're pulling back the curtain on what makes Home Business Academy different and why it matters. It's like discovering the missing gear in a machine that finally makes everything run smoothly. Most people chase gimmicks to earn money online fast, but that speed is without strategy just burns you out. The Home Business Academy gives you a proven digital marketing strategy that compounds results instead of collapsing. I remember the exact night I saw my first commission hit. It wasn't just numbers on the screen, it was proof this could actually work for me. Within my first month, I went into profit mode and started stacking predictable passive income streams. That's the kind of income that keeps paying you long after work is done, like planting a fruit tree and watching it bear fruit every season. And I want to show you what those look like actually. Give me a second. So this is me cashing out my one of my online wallets, 8305. It was actually about $95, but within fees, and then also I was a month late. I let the money just sit there. So as you can see, it went to Bank of America. Okay, and this is actually my email address group. And then I'm going to go to HBA, right? And this is the first sale, August 21st, which is probably about to hit again. Look, HBA, same email address. Way to go, John. Someone referred to the Home Business Academy just purchased the product, and that means as long as you earn the product they bought, you earn a commission. Do a little money dance, pat yourself on the back, and remember, to earn more, just do more of what you just did. So, this is a residual income, so it pays over and over again, as long as they stay in your system, right? So, here's another one from just 7 days ago. Do a little money dance, pat yourself on the back, and remember, you're on your way to freedom. So as you can see, this is actually working for me, and those two sales put me actually in profit. So I'm spending $25 a month and making $40, right? Think of setting up a vending machine that never runs out of stock. It just keeps spitting out commissions while you sleep. That's the power of residual income. Stick with me until the very end, because I'm going to show you how our training dominates from day 1, including how we rank for keywords, just like this very video is doing right now. Plus I got the best bonus for action takers that you won't want to miss. For anyone who takes action with me at the $25 level, I'm personally paying your way into a system that builds any business. You get the exact daily steps to generate traffic, leads, and even sales for any company you choose. This isn't just about HBA Home Business Academy. It's about giving you a framework that works everywhere, like a universal remote for online business. Here's the truth. Most people who try to build an online empire business fail because they're missing 3 things: a simple, reliable tool that actually works, a proven battle-tested system, and a ridiculous supportive community that keeps them consistent. Without those, you're stuck chasing shiny objects, burning money on tools you don't use, and spinning your wheels like a car stuck in mud. Meanwhile, the people who win, they're the ones who plug into a system that does the heavy lifting for them. And I want to show you what this bonus actually does, right? Real results. Because what I say doesn't really mean anything, right? You want to see what happens, right? So I'm going to click on, you can see I'm not signed in. These are actual results. I'm going to hit enter on Home Business Academy DFI marketing system on YouTube. This is an ad. I am the number 1 and number 2 video, right? And here's another ad. And look, I'm the 3 and 4 video, and the 5th video, and the 6th video, and the 7th, and the 8th, and the 9th, and the 10th. And the number 11 is Andrew Guthrie, another team member of ours. And there's another video, and another, and another, and another, and another. So yeah, another one actually. and this is a whole playlist from me, okay? So this is actually showing you that you can rank easily for videos, because either all of mine are Andrew Guthrie's, okay? Let's see if I can see anybody else. There's another one from me. So yeah, you can dominate leaderboards. I have 3 from me. You can dominate leaderboards with this, okay? With this training. And I'm going to show you that I'm also ranking on Google for these terms, right? So this is the Home Business Academy is #1, the actual company. But look at this: Instagram JJ Sally, and YouTube. Okay, 3 of mine, right? Make money on with JJ. And Google is JJ Sally. So you can see my picture, me right here on the video, right? I'm gonna click on this Instagram post, right? And this is the type of training that we're gonna see. Obviously, that's me, right? Match, right? So you can rank with social media posts. Amazing and powerful, right? The number, 3 of the top 5, I think. So yeah, and that's Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. So I'm going to go to a different one, right? Why HBA works for beginners. Now pay attention to this, because there's some big time, heavy hitting channels that are on this. That's not the right one. Give me a second. It's why HBA works for beginners. Okay. I don't know why that's not loading. I'm going to show you Google first. Okay, the #1 video is right there, and #2 video is me, right there. Make money on with JJ. So as you can see, #2 video on Google, right? And then we're gonna try to move this real quick. And we'll just type it in, because I don't know what's going on here. Why HBA works for beginners. So the #1 video, right, on YouTube, and the #2 video on Google. But look, I'm gonna show you these videos, right? 36 views from me, right? Now watch some of these channels. 465,000. This guy's ranking for multiple. 3.5K, 2.8K. Now it gets bigger than this. Here's another 6K. Here's another one by me. 174,000 views. 4 million views. Another one by me. There's another one that's like 14 or 15 million. 3.3 million views, 143,000 views, 207,000 views. You get the picture, right? 112,000 views, 173,000 views, and 1.9 million and 1.4 million, right? 836,000. So there's a million views and a lot of 100,000 views. So you can dominate any company with this. It's not about what I'm doing. It's what you and your people are doing, right? This is the training that will help you rank on even social media posts. Google, YouTube, amazing, right? We'll show you the exact steps that nobody else is teaching you. Either they don't know it or they're scared to teach you because they just want to keep the money for themselves, right? That's crazy. But we're going to actually help you, and I'm going to actually take my money out of my own pocket and get you in this training, because this is what will help you build any company and get paid instant commissions to whatever processor you want while you're bringing in people to be trained for you, right? Pretty cool, right? Now the Home Business Academy is also 3 programs in one shot. The Funnel Builder, which I will show you in just a minute. For just $25 you get a tool that rivals ClickFunnels and other expensive platforms, but leaner, faster, and easier. You get access to calls, right? Traffic generation strategies and proven templates that take the guesswork out of marketing. I want to go back to here real quick. Now the compensation plan is pretty simple. 80% of whatever program you belong to, right? Now, it pays up to 80% residually for most, but there's one that pays one time 80%. You only need 2 to 3 sales to cover your subscription. After that, it's pure predictable profit. That's why I call it the Home Business Academy Build Income from Home system, because it's designed to get you profitable quickly and keep you there. Now let me stop you right there and ask you this. What would it mean if you could finally stop chasing shiny objects and actually have a system that works from day one, right? And you're not left to figure it out alone. My first video ranked on YouTube, and every video ranked since. So you get, and you don't have to put yourself on camera this, but this is a small picture. But I made plenty of videos for Simple Freedom Warriors that don't, and affiliate manner that don't have my me on video. So you can do it that faceless if you want. The HBA community is packed with mentors, peers, and support systems that genuinely care about your success. Look at all these. This is Funnel Builder setup, right? But look at this. Where am I going? Training. Look at all these videos and steps. How to transfer domain to HBA domains. Everything. I just need to log in real quick. Everything you need to know. This little video, right? That's the difference between quitting after 2 weeks and building a business that lasts. You're part of a movement, like a team rowing in sync towards the same finish line. When people search for the best side of hustles 2025, they're really looking for something predictable, scalable, and proven. That's exactly what HBA delivers, right? I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Give me a second. I'm going to go to this video right here. Okay. I have one right here. So we're going to click on this, right? HBA versus ClickFunnels. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back to my tools right here, website. I'm going to change this. Okay. And this is copy, paste, simple. Paste. Boom. Okay. Now we're actually going to go back to the video, right? And we're going to share. Copy. And watch this. Now we're going to click in here where it says edit video. If we want everything to be congruent, paste. Watch the video change. It should change faster than that, but yeah, there it is right there. Really cool, right? And click and simple copy and paste steps. That's the same as our training, are super powerful. We have over-shoulder videos, and you're going to meet with the guy that trained me if you're still stuck, right? But they got to train out everything you need to do. If somebody handed you the playbook, would you follow it? Would you take the time to actually do it day by day when you see that it ranks and it works and it's building your business and getting you daily traffic, leads, and even sales, right? Would you follow the blueprint? So don't just watch. For you, it might mean paying off. Imagine what changes for you when the business covers its own costs and then starts paying you every single month. For me, it means peace of mind, extra breathing room in my finances, and the confidence to scale. For you, it might mean paying off debt, finally booking that family trip you've been putting off, or simply having more time with your family and your kids. So don't just watch, act. Join at the $25 level. I'll cover your way in with the best bonus, and you'll have the daily steps you need to build traffic, leads, and sales, and build your email list with a page like this, right? This is you put your name and your best email here, and you go to a page like this. Why isn't it loading? This video page right here, and say yes, I want in after you play the video, right? So then like, subscribe, and comment so you can see more content like this. Close your eyes for a second and picture it. What's the very first freedom you claim if your business paid you for life? I'll see you in day 3 of how Home Business Academy helps you build income from home. This is what makes Home Business Academy different and why it matters. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sully man. Don't delay, get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.